A wonderful morning, everyone. Today, we are going to continue our Do It Yourself of Practice Book Unit 7, that is present perfect tense. And in that, Do It Yourself, question number 1 we have already done. Question number 2 you are going to leave, and we are going to start from question number 3, that is given on page number 61. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. Read the following news report taken from C3, the fearless fighter, of my English reader. So let's see what is given. Here there is a news report along with news headline has been given. In the dark letters, whatever is written, that is news headline, and news report is a little expanded form of that, which has been written in a detailed way. Okay, so let's read it. CN Janki swims the channel. Despite Janki's legs being made useless by polio, she has made India proud by swimming across the English Channel. Now what we have to do, it is you can see has made. These are the two words which have been underlined. Why these have been underlined? Because they are telling us about the action that is completing at the time of speaking, right, which is telling us about the present perfect tense. Correct. So in the same way, in the next 3 parts, what we have to do, we have to read the news headline first, then news report we have to read, and we have to see which verbs are telling us that that action completes at the time of speaking. It means we have to underline the verbs which are used in present perfect tense. So let's see the first part of it. Tata Tech chairman resigns for personal reasons. This is the news headline. Now its detailed form, which is written in the news report form. Let's read it. The chairman of Tata Tech has resigned from his job because of some personal reasons. Now you can see here, has resigned. These are the verbs which are used in present perfect tense. And you all remember, in present perfect tense, we use V3 plus has or have as helping verbs. Correct. And here what has been told, that the chairman of Tata Tech, he has left his job. What is the reason behind it? Some personal reasons. Correct. Look at the second part. Faster and cheaper computers developed. This is the headline, which is, all the headlines are given in simple present tense, right? Now let's see the report. Scientists in the USA have developed faster and cheaper computers. Now here the verbs which are used in present perfect tense are have developed. So these are the words we have to underline. Third one, Delhi police bursts a gang of car thieves. First we have to understand the meaning of this also. What do you mean by burst? Bursts also means something exploding, or here it means that the Delhi police have destroyed a gang of car thieves. Burst here means destroyed. Okay, so let's see the report. The Delhi police has burst a notorious gang of car thieves. So here you have to underline the verbs has burst, right? And what do you mean by notorious? Notorious means well known for the bad deeds. Somebody who is known for his bad deeds. करेक्ट, जिसको हम हिंदी में बदनाम भी बोलते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड इन इंग्लिश नोटोरियस. सो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दैट हाउ वी हैव डन दिस एक्सरसाइज? बाय लुकिंग एट द वर्ब्स विच आर यूज्ड इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, दोज वी हैव टू अंडरलाइन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट. Number 4. Now expand the following news headlines. What we have to do? Here the headline is given, and in the report we have to expand it, and we have to use present perfect tense. Correct. So just see the first one. The headline is International Film Festival starts. This is simply given in simple present tense. Now when we are expanding it, we have to use the present perfect tense. So just see how to do it. The International Film Festival dash in New Delhi. So instead of starts, we have to use the third form of start, that is started. Along with that, we will be using has. So the answer will be has started. Next one, rise in deaths due to road accidents. This is the headline. What does it mean that because of road accidents, there is increase in the number of deaths? Correct. So how to write it? The word is already given, so we have to continue in the same manner. The road accidents have risen. Instead of rise, we have to use the third form of it, and that is risen. The three forms of rise are rise, rose, risen. Correct. And along with that, subject is accidents, so we will be using have. The road accidents have risen the death rate. This will be the news report. Correct. Now the third part. Water wells in rural areas dry. This is the headline, and you all know that why the water wells become dry, because of drought or famine or dryness, less amount of rain. These are the reasons. So when we are writing in expanded way, we have to give some reason also along with using present perfect tense. So how to do it? The water wells in rural areas, because this is in plural, water wells are plural, so we have to use have, helping verb have, and the third form of dry, that is dried, have dried due to drought. We can say drought. Drought क्या होता है? जब सूखा पड़ जाता है, that is called drought. So in this way we have to complete this exercise. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.